Kesorkan Meghalaya kalkenjo yang mawmer bansak mau hak history jong kepuli puthi ha ba kejela kalalait na kekerdan bahatrai ha ke performance grading index PGI 2.0 ha kesien kebeningkong nado baya kini kesandur lapelait da ketenat puli puthi ha kesorkar India. Katkum kekai point jong ke PGI 2.0 jong arajar arpusan arpundre bal pelait da ketenat puli puthi ke India ke Meghalaya kal Kiew ha ke jinyok kerdan na kesaus pa sa pupra hau arajar arpusan sya kesan spa arpusan penyopuwe hau hajar arpusan arpundre bat na ke Akanshi-3 sya ke Akanshi-1 ke jingkiw da artili ki grade ha ke juk kesnem. Kani kelong kesien ke Baningkong ba ke Meghalaya kal Kiew na ke grade ke bal hatrai do nado bala sedang ya ke PGI ke jela mentah kedan ha ke kerdan Akanshi-1 rengkat ke jela kum ke Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Tripura, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, bat Jammu and Kashmir. Ke basakhi ya ke jengmi ke Meghalaya na ke kerdan chatrai sya ke kenhon jong ke jela ke bala kentiu bat leb ha ke puli puthi. Kani ke jengjap kolong ke jengmi na ke jeng penwandor thamai ha ke puli puthi kiba ke sorker Meghalaya kala syam ha kini ki prasnem balalej ha ke ba kala phai khmat kerpang sya ki lat penbej ya ke puli puthi ha kini ki lai snem ha po ke jengelam jong ke sorkar Meghalaya. Ke pensyaru ba ke jeng pengkelador thamai ha ki polisi ke jeng penbhai ya ke rukom terikam ke jeng bai tengka ha ki jeng te skul ke jeng pentibet ya ki nohikai bat ke rukom plan ke ki bejob ke sedang bat penmi ya ki so ke jengjam.
To inform you that for the last few months and the last few years that the government have been criticized from every section of the people regarding the PGI score, because as you know that every year Meghalaya is at the bottom. But since 2018, and if you recall that in every briefing, in every thing, we used to say that Honorable Chief Minister has already mentioned that education is a top priority. And we told you that we are working towards achieving the quality education in the state of Meghalaya. But in 2022, when the first PGR score was given, we have seen our score. Subsequently, during the last 5 years, we have seen there is an improvement. But that improvement, it is not reflect in the ranking, because as Honorable Chief Minister mentioned other day, there are so many factors which we don't do. Having said that, I'm very happy that in this year 2025-26, the latest PGI ranking which have been released by the Ministry of Education, that the Meghalaya education in Meghalaya have jumped from that it comes from the Sanskrit word. It is desire to keep the best, aspiration, desire, and we want to do more. So Akanshi-3, that means just starting. So Akanshi-1, that means our aspiration, it is almost complete, but now we are ready to the next stage. The next stage is the Prachesta 3. So to jump to that, now we are in the Akanshi-1. So the next step, which I'm very sure that in the next PGI score, we will able to enter this Prachesta 3, maybe 2 also. We have the aspiration and we have the willingness and the determination, more about determination. We from the education, from the SDSEO, DSEO, Directorate, Secretariat, we have the determination that Commonwealth will try to improve the education system.